In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix this site cannot be reached error in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, make sure you haven't enabled VPN. In case any VPN is enabled, disable it, as this can sometimes block website from loading. Next up, check for your device update. Launch settings, go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, download and install it, since outdated software can cause browsing issues. Head back, scroll all the way down, click on transfer, reset iPhone, click on reset network settings and complete the process. This will not delete your personal data, it will only refresh your network connections. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete Chrome from your device and reinstall it. With these steps, you'll be good to go, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.